How to apply for a U.S. student visa. So to apply for a U.S. student visa, you'll need to be accepted by a student and exchange visitor program or the SEVP certified institution. So pay the SEVIS fee and complete the DS-160 online application and pay the visa application fee. After that, schedule a visa interview and attend the interview. So for a more detailed breakdown, here's what you will need to do. So first is find a SEVP certified institution. So your first step is to be accepted into an American university or college that is certified by the SEVP, which ensures that they are authorized to accept international students. After that is your I-20 form. So once accepted, you'll receive the form I-20 or the Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status from the institution, and this form is crucial for your visa application. Next is to pay the fees. So you'll need to pay the SEVIS fee, which is a Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, and the I-901 fee to be enrolled in the system. And next is complete the DS-160 application. So you must complete the online non-immigrant visa application, form DS-160, and print the confirmation page. And next is pay the visa application fee. So you'll need to pay the visa application fee for processing your application. After that, you'll need to schedule your interview. So after completing the application, you'll need to schedule an interview with the US Embassy or consulate in your home country. And after that, you will need to prepare documents. So gather all necessary documents, including your passport, Form I-20 DS-160, and confirmation page, fee payment receipts, and a passport photo. And after that, you will need to attend the interview. So attend your scheduled interview where a consular officer will assess your application and determine if you meet the requirements for a student visa. And I also suggest that you visit this website, which is the travel.state.gov website or the US Department of State, and go to US visas right here and click on study and exchange. So you will see an overview of the student visa right here, and you will see all of the steps required for the process on applying for a US student visa. And that is basically it.